Usage method of the BYD Han 2-in-1 tool. Locksmith Pro's BYD Han. This tool has a total of 8 pin positions. 4 sizes A, B, C, D correspond to 1, 2, 3, 4 respectively. This tool, it has a direction. We see this side is flat, this side has teeth. So when inserting it into the lock, if it can't be inserted, it means it's inserted upside down. We need to flip it and insert it again. First, let's locate the tumbler positions. Tumbler 1 is present. Tumbler 3 is present. Tumbler 5 is present. Tumbler 7 is present. 2, 4, 6, 8 all have tumblers. Alright, next we apply tension with a tension wrench. For example, find the stiff tumblers in this direction and pick them. Tumbler 5 is stiff. Pick it once. Good 7. 3, 1, 2, tumbler 2 above is stiff. Pick it once. Okay, can't pick tumbler 4 for now. Let's do 6. 8, good, now we've opened this lock. After opening now, let's read the pin codes. 3, 1. 3, 4, 1, 3, 5, 7 correspond to 3, 1, 3, 4. Next, let's check position 2. Position 2 is 2, position 4 is 1. Then positions 3 and 4 above are 2, 1, 3, 4. Let's verify. That's 3, 1, 3, 4. Two, 1, 3. 4, good. Now let's take out the tool. Let's see how to cut the key. Here we click on the vehicle database, find BYD. We're cutting the key for the Han model now. Then we take a key blank as shown in the diagram, clamp it on. After clamping, now we input. The upper code is 3, 1, 3, 4. The lower code is 2, 1, 3, 4. Click on key cutting. Let's take a look. I'll insert it into the lock. It works. This is the demonstration for the BYD Han we just showed you.